Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam.
How about you?
I'm great, but you?
I'm so.
Why? What happened?
Actually, I have been suffering from pneumonia for 1 week.
Oh, so sad. Have you visited the doctor?
No,
But why?
actually, I think it will be okay.
You should visit a doctor.
Can you give me some advice?
Yeah, why not? You should stay in your house, consult with a doctor.
Please tell me what is the main cause of pneumonia?
Main cause of pneumonia, one kind of bacteria.
Okay, would you please tell me pneumonia's bacteria's name?
Of course, its name is Streptococcus.
Streptococcus.
Yeah,
What should I do more?
you should take rest, drink a lot of water and liquids such as soup, juice.
Okay, anything else?
You must visit a doctor, eat healthy food and take medicine.
Okay, is pneumonia infectious disease?
Actually, I have no idea about this.
Okay, no problem. Does pneumonia have any vaccine?
Yeah,
Please tell me pneumonia's vaccine's name.
literally I don't know.
Okay, no problem. Thank you so much for your advice.
You're most welcome. Take rest and visit a doctor.
See you around. Allah Hafiz.
May Allah bless you. Allah Hafiz.